Hi, and welcome to my video on the new and improved Thinkific Site Page Builder. In this video, I want to explain and show you the differences and improvements made to the Thinkific Site Builder. And the reason for this change is because previously, a lot of people found the navigation really confusing, and hopefully this process simplifies the different kinds of landing pages you will build on Thinkific. So before I go into the demo and the changes, I want to talk about there are two different kinds of landing pages that you will build in Thinkific. There is your primary landing page, homepage, site page, and then there is your sales page or specific course landing page for individual products. So as we can see in this example, this is the main Thinkific homepage, landing page or site page. And so the primary goal of this landing page is to really showcase who you are, your business, your brand, your academy. And then you have your individual course landing page or sales page for different courses that you will sell. So for example, this is the specific course landing page for Neil Patel's funnel course, through Thinkific. And this is a great way for you to showcase and talk about how you solve specific problems with this course and product, what you will get in terms of results, and then all the testimonials and curriculum listed below here. And so that's the difference between the two landing pages. And Thinkific wanted to simplify how you access and set up these landing pages. Now, if you don't use Thinkific for your primary landing page because you want to use WordPress, ClickFunnels, or you want to use another website, that's totally fine. The idea here is that if you do want to stay within the ecosystem, then this video will help you navigate the new site builder. So one of the things I'm going to show you is when I go into my partner account, it will look similar to yours. Under Design Your Site, and so I will find the new site. I'll click on Site Builder. And then when I go to Site Builder in this tab, I will see it looks a little bit differently than it has before. So there is my homepage, there are my courses, these are my bundles, and then these are default pages and custom pages. So before you used to see a build landing page here, which would be your main homepage, or it would be like an example, thinkific.com. Now, if you wanted to build your homepage or landing page, you would click on Homepage. And if you wanted to build specific course landing pages, you go to that courses button. And then you will see all the different courses which you have set up and that need landing pages built. So let's just take a look at some of these differences. If I take an example of my instructional design demo. So as you see once here, all the components of the landing page for this specific course, as we saw here, and then Neil Patel, like the curriculum, will be in my site builder. So I can see my pricing options. I can see this banner here. So FYI tip, anytime you see this banner, it corresponds to this section. And so that's what makes the site builder really easy to set up. Every section corresponds to a specific section on this page so that you know which one you're referencing. So then I can customize the banner, the color, the image, the button title. And then if I go back and I can continually to add more sections, because maybe I want to add, let's just say, a call to action to sort of emphasize the importance of, okay, hey, this is really awesome. And this is where you can sign up and be part of this learning experience. So then I can continually to build this out to really enhance and showcase and sell this individual product. So now I'm just going to save as a demo. And then I want to go back and show you then how you access your primary landing page, or as you can think of it, your Thinkific homepage by going to Homepage. And so my site, my demo site is engineeringcreatively.com. And so if I want to change this main page, then this is where, as you can see, I've been changing it a lot and playing with it and tweaking it. But what I can do is this is my main landing page. And so my business is all about mentoring and coaching example. And then I can add sections. Let's find something fun. Checklist. And then you will see the checklist here in preview. And then let's go to, like I said, remember this is your primary landing page, and then this is your course landing page. And I'm going to open up a new tab to show you then all the changes that we just made. And so you can preview and see what happens when you're in your site builder to what it looks like in your main page. So let's just look for that checklist that I added at the end. So I have my upsells and my products. Okay, so I forgot to save it. So let me click save. That's why it wasn't showing up. And then now I can refresh this and preview to see that checklist. So remember, saving is really important. Otherwise, you're like, what? When you preview, it's like, where did it all go? So now you can see my checklist appears. So that is your new Thinkific Site Pages, Site Page Builder. It consolidates the whole process, makes it easier. Every time you want to edit your main landing page or your sales page, just go to Site Builder. And then once you're in Site Builder, you will see, I'll go back and you can see the difference between your homepage and then all the other different pages that are available. So homepage, that's your main landing page, site, and then courses. This is where you access the individual products, courses that you're selling to build out those landing pages. And then if you have any bundles, this is where you go to each individual bundle and edit the landing page for each individual bundle. And then you can, if you want to make some changes to the default pages, add some power-ups to really jazz up and amplify your main site. And this is where all the default pages like sign in and how you like the sign-in page to look like, the sign-up pages. And hopefully this makes it simpler and easier for you to navigate and build and get started really easily. And then there's custom pages as well if you want to add additional page that isn't on the main Thinkific site. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, feedback, and how you like the new site builder. Thank you for watching.